Hey everyone, let's build a VS Code extension in just 2 minutes. Before we start coding, you will need Node.js installed. Open your terminal and run these commands. Choose new extension. If you are familiar with JavaScript, you can go with JavaScript, else choose TypeScript. I'll go with TypeScript and name it text uppercase. This creates our project structure. Every VS Code extension needs two key files. One is extension.ts where our logic lives, and one more is package.json where we define how users interact with our extension. Let's start with extension.ts file and break down each part. First, we need the VS Code API. So let's import that VS Code. This gives us access to everything VS Code offers: editors, commands, and UI components. Think of it as your toolkit for building extensions. And every extension needs an activation point. When VS Code starts up, it calls this function. The context parameter is crucial. It helps manage our extension's lifecycle. Think of it as the extension's memory. Now, let's register our command. We are creating a new command called text uppercase.uppercase. When users trigger this command, VS Code will run our code. The disposable helps VS Code clean up when the extension is deactivated. Here is where we interact with the editor. Let's break this down. 1. We get the active editor. Then we grab the user's text selection, and then we extract the selected text. Then we create an edit to replace the selection with the uppercase text. Finally, we need to clean up. This ensures VS Code can properly dispose of our command when needed. In package.json, we tell VS Code about our command. This registers our command in VS Code's command palette and right-click menu. Press F5 to launch a new VS Code window with your extension. Select some text, right-click, and you will see convert to uppercase. Click it and watch your text transform. There you have it, a fully functional VS Code extension with a detailed understanding of each component. Try extending it with lowercase conversion or other text transformations. Like and subscribe for more in-depth development tutorials. Thanks for watching.